The power of prayer, unlocking divine connection. Prayer has been a fundamental practice in various religious and spiritual traditions for centuries. It is a way for individuals to communicate with a higher power and seek guidance, solace, and strength. While prayer is deeply rooted in faith and spirituality, its impact extends far beyond religious boundaries. The power of prayer lies in its ability to unlock a divine connection that can bring profound transformation to our lives. Exploring the profound impact of prayer on our lives. Prayer has a profound impact on our lives, allowing us to tap into a source of strength and guidance that surpasses our own understanding. It provides a sense of comfort, hope, and peace amidst the chaos and challenges of life. Through prayer, we can find solace in knowing that we are not alone and that there is a higher power who is listening and guiding us. A closer look at the transformative nature of prayer. The transformative nature of prayer lies in its ability to shift our mindset and perspective. By engaging in prayer, we become more open to receiving divine wisdom and guidance, which can lead to personal growth and self-discovery. Prayer helps us let go of our worries, fears, and doubts, allowing us to embrace a more positive and empowering mindset. Understanding prayer's ability to strengthen faith. Prayer serves as a powerful tool for strengthening faith and deepening our spiritual connection. It allows us to surrender our burdens and trust in a higher power, instilling a sense of confidence and assurance that we are supported and guided. Through consistent prayer, our faith is nurtured, and we develop a closer relationship with the divine. The science behind prayer, unveiling its surprising effects. While prayer is often associated with matters of faith and spirituality, scientific research has shown that it has tangible effects on our well-being. Studies have indicated that prayer can reduce stress, improve mental health, and even enhance physical healing. The act of prayer activates regions in the brain associated with positive emotions, leading to a sense of calm and well-being. Unleashing the healing power of prayer in our lives. Prayer has long been recognized for its healing power. It provides a space for individuals to express their deepest emotions, fears, and desires, allowing for emotional and psychological healing. Prayer can also bring comfort to those facing physical ailments, as it is believed to promote a state of relaxation and peace that aids in the healing process. How prayer can bring inner peace and serenity. In a fast-paced and chaotic world, prayer offers a sanctuary of inner peace and serenity. Through prayer, we can find solace in the silence and connect with the divine presence within us. It allows us to detach from the noise of the world and find a sense of stillness, bringing tranquility to our hearts and minds. The role of prayer in cultivating resilience and hope. Prayer plays a crucial role in cultivating resilience and hope, especially during challenging times. It provides a lifeline of strength and courage, enabling individuals to navigate through adversity with a renewed sense of purpose and determination. Prayer instills hope by reminding us that there is always a higher power working in our favor, even in the darkest of moments. Connecting with the divine, prayer's spiritual significance. Prayer is a gateway to connecting with the divine and experiencing a deeper sense of spirituality. It allows us to transcend our limited human existence and tap into a higher consciousness. Through prayer, we can experience moments of transcendence, unity, and spiritual enlightenment, fostering a sense of unity with the divine and all creation. Harnessing the power of prayer for personal growth. Prayer serves as a catalyst for personal growth and transformation. It encourages introspection, self-reflection, and self-improvement. Through prayer, we can set intentions, seek guidance, and strive to become the best version of ourselves. It empowers us to cultivate virtues such as patience, gratitude, and forgiveness, leading to personal and spiritual evolution. Prayer is a catalyst for positive change in the world. Prayer has the potential to create positive change, not only in our individual lives, but also in the world around us. When individuals come together in prayer, their collective intention and energy can bring about transformation and healing on a global scale. Prayer can serve as a call to action, inspiring individuals to make a difference and contribute to the betterment of society. Embracing the sacred, unveiling the mystical side of prayer. Beyond its practical and tangible effects, prayer unveils a mystical side that transcends human comprehension. It opens the door to experiences of divine presence, revelation, and spiritual ecstasy. Through prayer, individuals can encounter moments of divine union, where the boundaries between the self and the divine dissolve, leading to a profound sense of oneness and awe. The power of prayer is undeniable. It unlocks a divine connection that can bring peace, strength, and transformation to our lives. Whether driven by faith, spirituality, or a yearning for something greater, prayer has the potential to transcend boundaries and touch every aspect of our being. By embracing prayer and allowing its power to work within us, we can unlock the vast potential within ourselves and create a life filled with purpose, growth, and connection to the divine.